kitchen. Today I will share with you how to make one of the Filipino dessert, which is it's called SUMAN CASSAVA. Grated cassava, sugar, we have butter, a little bit of salt to balance the flavor, and we have also the young coconut and coconut milk.
Everything you do is bad. Love me. Everything you do is bad. Oh, I can't see the color running through your veins, and I can't breathe. And everything you do is bad. Love me.
Thank you guys for watching on my video today. Hope you like it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.